clarify, can the federal court order retrial?
Yes, it can. The power, as we have said, to order retrial is there in the section 60, sub 1 of the Courts of Judicature Act. It's a power that is recognized in criminal law, criminal justice system, and used regularly. And that power belongs to all courts, High Court, Court of Appeal, and Federal Court.
The prosecution, the AG Chambers has applied for something that they say that they will appeal. How long will the process take? Can they delay? Can there be dilly-dallying? And we are looking at a federal court looking at the appeal, say 2 or 3 years from now. Is that possible?
It's possible. Even this Court of Appeal took too long. Actually, which is also another question mark. Why was this particular appeal delayed so long? It shouldn't have happened. In a criminal justice system, appeals should be moving faster than this. So it's difficult to answer a question. If they really want to expedite the appeal, they can have it in 2 months' time. They can even have it next month. They can even really try to do it in 1 or 2 weeks.
This is why I put the question to you, because we are talking about playing to script. Why don't you demand, apart from RCI, something that's a bit more pragmatic in the sense that why not insist that if the prosecution, the government is serious about justice, about the good criminal system, there's not one confidence in relation to fall. Show it, have a federal court, have a date. Is it so impossible? Is it like completely impossible to have a hearing date next week? Why don't you demand that as well?
Yeah, but we don't want to jump the gun. Let the AG file his appeal first. And we will, well, they have only made statements. We want to see. So let that happen and we will respond to it. But you're right, that's a good suggestion and we will press for it. But I think what we're emphasizing today is that the part of the Court of Appeal which is important and significant is when it highlights that a key witness was not called. What we are saying today is that the public must know it's not just one key witness was not called, there were many. And all of these witnesses are connected to Najib and Rosma by association. So this is the point we want to stress. This is where we see there was a manipulated investigation and a manipulated trial. This is why we are stressing there must be a Royal Commission. Because today it is no longer, earlier it was just the opinion of Party Guardian or other people or other observers. Today the Court of Appeal has said it also. It's time the Royal Commission is set up.
And further, the issues of appealing in the federal court for Azira and Cyrus, it is also not going to serve justice. Because why double standard? When Razak Agenda was let off, although the public opinion was very strong, the AG did nothing. The AG decided not to appeal. In this case, the 2 executors who were convicted and without motive. So now, because of outcry, they appeal on the case. But the appeal at the federal court is not going to do justice to Altantuya and the entire case. That's why a Royal Commission is necessary, because we have to go back to the root. Yeah, just now we mentioned the ADC, the Chief Security Officers to Najib was not called. What did he do? What role has he played? Whether he issues the C4, nobody knows, right? So how did the C4 come into place? Nobody knows. We finished the whole trial already. Nobody knows where are the source of the weapon. Nobody knows what are the motive of these 2 officers. Who give the instruction? Since Razak has been acquitted, so there was no instruction. No one obeyed 2 of them. Even if you go to federal court, the same technical ground is going to be raised, and I'm not surprised that even the federal courts find it very difficult to to have a new trial. But whatever this, now we go beyond just the conviction of these 2 persons. We are not seeking to say, convict these 2 persons again, we got justice for Altantuya. It's not. We have to go back to the source. Point 1. How did she get killed? What is the cause of her gruesome killing? Is Kopin involved? How much has she know about the divisions of of commission and all these sort of issues that we need and a royal commissioner inquiry. And therefore, it is necessary now, and the public want to know the truth.